Hey everyone, welcome to Deep Dive, where we break down the principles that shape our lives, challenge the status quo, and push ourselves toward growth. Today we are going to discuss about the secret to beating procrastination, Parkinson's law. Imagine this. You have 2 weeks to complete a task that takes just 2 days. What happens? You stretch it out. You overthink. You delay. But if you had just 2 days, you'd focus, cut the fluff, and get it done. This is Parkinson's law. Work expands to fill the time available for its completion. We often think we lack motivation, but the truth is, we're giving ourselves too much time. And when time is abundant, distractions take over. But here's the game changer. What if you flip the script? Instead of letting work drag on, set tight deadlines. Cut your estimated time in half. Watch how your brain shifts into high-performance mode. You prioritize only what matters. You eliminate distractions. You act fast and stop overthinking. This is how high achievers work. They don't wait for inspiration. They create urgency. How to apply Parkinson's law today. 1. Set short, ambitious deadlines. If you think a task needs a week, finish it in 3 days. 2. Use time blocking. Give yourself strict time windows for deep work. 3. Challenge yourself. Set a timer, race against the clock, and see how much you can achieve. 4. Embrace imperfection. Perfectionism is just procrastination in disguise. Take action, refine later. Final truth. Control time before it controls you. You don't need more time, you need more urgency. If you continue waiting, your goals will remain distant. But if you compress time, take action, and challenge yourself, you'll achieve more than you ever thought possible. So here's my challenge for you. Pick one task today, cut the time in half, and just do it. Because winners don't wait for the perfect moment, they create it. Deep dive complete.